this channel. My name is Esther Kenya, or rather Miss Kenya as indicated on my vlog, and this is my first vlog, so karibuni sana. Feel free to watch my content. So today I thought about doing a video about DECOR items that I have. Okay, some of the DECOR items that I have, not all the pieces, that are below 2,000 shillings, that is $2. And without further ado, let us get to the pieces. My first piece is this plant. Yeah, it's a fake plant. It's a fake plant, and it comes with its own base, so you don't have to think about baskets and stands. And I got this piece at Power Star Supermarket in Kikuyu. Kikuyu is on Waiyaki Way. I got this piece at Power Star Supermarket, and I got it for 700 shillings. Actually, it was 701 shillings. And I think 700 shillings for a piece, for this piece, is quite cheap because it comes with its own base, and it is a fake plant, so you don't have to be worried about the plant withering or waking up to water a plant. Yeah. My second piece is this kadingi over here. I don't know what to call it. You can see it. Yeah. I think it's a dome. I can call it a dome, or what do you guys think? And I got this piece at an online shop. I don't quite remember the name of the shop, but if you really want the piece, I can try and remember the name. Yeah. And one amazing thing about this dome is that it lights. Yeah. And it's quite beautiful when it lights up. And I think since we are approaching Christmas, it's a DECOR item for the seasonal. What do you guys think? It uses batteries, and I got it for 1,800 shillings, although that was quite expensive. And the reason why I say it was quite expensive is because I saw a similar piece going for 800 shillings. Yeah, 800. It was going for 800 shillings, and we live to learn. The other item that I have that I really love, don't mind my R's and L's, yeah, is this piece over here. What do you think about it, guys? It's a candle holder that comes with a candle, which in this case is an LED candle. Yeah, it's beautiful, and it has this hanging kadimi over here. I think you can hang it or just place it on a shelf. What do you think? And I think this golden detail here is to die for. Yeah, what do you think? And it uses battery to light up, and it's quite beautiful when it lights. Yeah, I love it. I got it at Isli for 1,300 shillings, and I think 1,300 shillings is quite cheap compared to other online shops where it goes for up to 4,000 shillings. I think it was quite a save. And the last item that I have for today is this plant. Yeah, I am a sucker for plants. Yeah, it's this plant that I got at a local shop near where I live for 1,200 shillings, but it had a stand that I will not show you in this video. And I decided to put it in this beautiful card basket that I got from an Instagram shop by the name Chodochake KE. You can look it up, Chodochake KE, for 300 shillings. And I think for 300 shillings it's worth. I think it's worth the buy. And that is my last piece. So guys, if you would like to see me do this kind of videos, decorating videos, or any other kind of videos, please comment on the comment section below and invite other friends to watch. So from me today, it's bye bye. Thank you for watching.